Did you know you can cheat playing chess with your Android device? Let's see how it works. You run the application, go to the settings page, scroll it down, then tap on the header. Of course, you will need here a full version, since free demo will display ad banner here. Now scroll down again and you will see two sliders to adjust time speed for each color. Let's do it extreme and see how it works. Okay, here it is. You can see white is much slower than it should be, and black is much faster. When you click reset, the settings will always interchange, and now white will go faster and black slower. When you go back to the settings, it will always change to 100%. You should note that clock ticking option always sounds real seconds, so if you have set significant values, you may need to turn the sound off to ensure it'll never be catched. Thank you for watching. You can find the Google Play link to the application below this video, and have a good luck!